want to give a special thanks to Zuru Mini Brands for sending these products to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my mini world. Today we are in our miniature Target that is filled with mini brands, mainly toys. But I've been playing with the idea of making a home decor department. Maybe we can clear out that area over there where we have a few random minis to make some space for Zuru Mini Brands Home. In our Mini Brands Home video, we saw that many of the items are a good size for like 3-inch dolls. However, even though many items are under scale for 1/6 scale, some could still work, like this mini trash can that we can use in our doll offices as a desktop trash can, or even a pencil cup. And we can totally use some of these items as shelf filler in our mini store to stock the shelves with minis for the home. Let's move this shelf back and bring in the shorter shelf that we made in a previous video with a few of our DIY candles. Now let's open those mini brands and look for home minis for our little store. Inside, we have the collector's guide with lots of different minis from KitchenAid and Whirlpool to chopping boards and magazines. The items have different availabilities that are marked underneath. I got 5 paper bags that we can tear open to reveal the minis. We got a little food storage container where we can remove the lid. Not too bad in the hand of a doll, and it's totally going in our store. And next we have a tiny ironing board. Some assembly is required. Not sure if this one can go on the shelf, but we'll see. In the third bag, we have a little microwave cup. I think we can place that near the food storage containers. And this is, it's a little piece of furniture? Yeah, it's the night table. Maybe it could be another desktop accessory. Or we could pretend like it's a model of furniture that is in the back. And in the last bag, we find, it's the ultra rare vanity with drawers that really open. We could totally pretend like this is doll furniture for the dolls. If we remove the film, there is reflective tape underneath. Not bad for our first capsule of the day. And we'll move stuff around as needed. Opening our second capsule. I am hoping for a few appliances because that will look great on the shelf. It's another ironing board, which could totally work in a sewing room. Here is a tiny little pot. It's a saucepan with a lid, totally calico critter sized. See, in this bag, we have a measuring cup with a lid. I think it can work with 1/6 scale. And here we have a makeup stool that has to be assembled. Definitely too small to be a stool for our dolls, but maybe we could use it as a plant stand. It fits perfectly with the vanity. In the last bag for this capsule, we have a vase with flowers and some UV glue. I'm totally just gonna put the vase on the shelf for a little home decor. We've opened 2 capsules and our shelves are nowhere near fully stocked. So let's keep going. Opening capsule number 3. In the first bag, we have a tiny little clock, which totally looks like something we could make with a button and some scrapbook paper. Here's the button. Let's take a little cardstock, cut out a circle, and then strips of black cardstock, glue them on. Glue the paper into the button, add gloss Mod Podge to make a quick clock. We can switch it up and use scrapbook paper with a print and use a bigger button to make a larger clock if you're looking for an easy inspired craft to do. Getting back to those mini brands, we have a tiny food container, which a 1/6 scale doll could use for dipping sauces. And this Ooh, it's a lava lamp. We can probably use it as a small lamp in a doll room. And we got the small cupboard. This one feels like a box. Let's see. Cool! Yeah! It's the KitchenAid digital countertop oven with air fryer. The box opens. It's enclosed in little faux packaging. Loving all those details. The door can open. All the little stuff can come out. There are additional accessories. And here it is, next to a doll. It's a little under scale, but we could still totally use it for dolls who don't have a lot of space. And it looks great on the shelf. Next capsule, which is capsule number 4, giving us the minis of a diffuser that we can totally use in the dollhouse, and a table that has to be assembled. Without the base, it could totally be a large serving tray. So that's an option. And we can take the base and glue on a plastic top to make a lamp. This one is from a bottle of nail polish, but we can also take a strip of paper, make a paper tube to make the lampshade. And then, oops, that just totally flew across the room. Here is another food storage container, and the top is removable. We got this one before, so it's a double. But I'm not gonna get upset about a double because we're stocking the shelves. Unless it's another ironing board. But it's not. We got some ice. There are cubes that can fit in the tray and a lid to go on top. Definitely under scale, but if you have a mini fridge, you might need mini ice. In the last bag for this capsule, we find, candlesticks. And candles, which totally work for a 1/6 scale dollhouse. I already have some of these in my collection, so we can use them to fill the shelves. Opening capsule 5. And we get another stool. We got a rolling pin, a water bottle that's very underscale, but probably a good size for like a Chelsea doll. And I think this is another clock. Yep. And this is a fishbowl with faux rocks, a plant, and a fish that can go inside. And we can use the included UV glue to hold it all in place. But I'm choosing to leave mine as is, just in case I want to use the bowl for some floating candles later. Capsule number 6 has eggs. Yep, we got a carton of eggs. I guess we can't really use these with our home decor. We need more appliances. And this is a mini office chair that can actually recline. Cool detail. But it's so small. And this is another microwave cup. And no, another ironing board. And the last one is a nightstand. Capsule number 7. We need more boxes. Is this a box? Let's see. Nope, it's another little shelving unit with drawers. Our back wall totally has no organization. Another food storage container. And so far, I'm doing way better at organizing these items. In this bag, we have a little basket. We got another food storage container where the divider is removable. I've seen this one before, so let's go ahead and add some of our doubles to the shelf, along with a few other items like this pitcher, more food storage containers. I used a little poster putty to attach the pot to the wall. I displayed my kitchen appliances on the shelf with their boxes underneath. I arranged other select pieces to look nice and neat and hopefully make it look like a store. And now I totally have an idea of which minis I'm looking to put on the shelves. So as we open them, we know if we need them for our store or not. This is a not. And this is yes. Capsule number 8. I feel like we totally have a mission now. Well, we did the whole time, but now it has direction. We have another pitcher And we already know where it goes. And this is another microwave cup and a little tray of cookies. Correction, it's a cupcake pan, but it doesn't really go with our store, so let's see what's next. Oh, this is the pink mirror, which even though it's under scale, we could still totally use it on like a doll vanity or even hang it on a wall. It could only fit on the top shelf, so we had to move a few things around. This is totally a box, and it is a Whirlpool microwave. The door can open, and we can put the little plate or tray inside. We are totally going to say this is for dorm room life or apartment living. Capsule number 9 has another clock. That makes 3. And another storage container. What is this? This is a carton of eggs. And a nightstand, a triple. In the big bag, it's another vanity. Yep. Okay, capsule number 10. I wouldn't mind a few more pots and some appliances. This one is totally a box, and it is a Black & Decker iron. There is a little iron inside, and it looks kind of great. It's a little small for the dolls, but we can say it's travel size. More cupcakes and a food storage container. Well, at least we're well stocked. And this is another nightstand. Oh my goodness, that makes 4. And our last one feels like another box. Yeah! We have an espresso machine. It is a double, but I'm okay with that because it's adding to our store. Okay, last one and I'm done. This is capsule number 11. There are a few appliances we haven't found yet, like the stand mixer, so I'm hopeful. Uh-oh, I'm not filling any boxes. Our first one for this capsule is the tray for cupcakes. Okay. The second one is a scale that goes right here. Is this another clock? Is it? Yes, it's clock number 4. And this is, no, not another computer chair. And our last one is, I think it's a pot. Yes, it's a tiny pot, but it's a pot. It's easy to remove the label. And here we have a casserole with a lid. And look at that. That's kind of cool. I put the label back on and attach it to the wall with a little poster putty. And here is our home department and our mini Target so far. This is a great way to display some of my collection and use minis that might be a little under scale as background details for our doll photos. Thank you for joining us while I rearranged our miniature Target and restocked it with new mini brands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.